we're about to do a repairability test on this roof here to show that it is not repairable. One, due to its brittle condition, and any lifting we do will damage the shingles around it to get up underneath to remove the nails. I'll be using this snake tool. This is the second issue. Snake tool is purpose for not lifting the shingle beyond 45 degrees. And you put the nail in like that, nail it in. But the problem is, once you nail it in, there's still about a 1/4 inch of the nail head above the surface of the roof. So this will eventually protrude through the shingle above it, causing nail pop and further water intrusion. But we're gonna go ahead and remove this shingle here. I'm gonna pop out the nails and do the repair. Gonna go 2 above it. Perfect. Now you can see above this shingle we have 1 nail here, 2, 3, 4 at the first level. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4th. So we have 8 total nails in this roof. Let's start by doing the upper level. Not lifting the shingle past 45 degrees, lifting as minimally as possible. Two. Three. Last one at the top level. 4. So bottom now. Lifting the shingle as minimally as possible. 5. 6. 7. Last one. 8. Now we should be able to remove this shingle here. As you can see, it is wind damaged, fully creased, damaged shingle. Clear out debris. You can see that there's 1 layer of shingles on the roof. Lined up with the previous shingle line. Now I will begin to show you the issue with the snake tool. I'm gonna go to the first level, get it to the shingle line, the nail line, and we'll hammer it in. There's the issue. This nail will not go flat because the snake tool does not allow it to because of this under lip. This nail is going to protrude through this already not damaged shingle and damage it, causing a nail pop and water intrusion. In order to nail this head all the way in, we'd have to lift the shingle past its 45-degree max point, which will cause further damage. But I will continue to show you and demonstrate. Nail number 2 at the nail line. Same issue again. Driving the nail as far as I can, and this is what it does. Gonna pop through that shingle. Not lifting the shingle past 45 degrees, purpose of the snake tool. It's as far as it'll go. And it's also driving in crooked. That's the issue with this snake tool here. It's not gonna drive the nail straight in, and it's not gonna drive the nail all the way flush. I'll do this last one just to show you again. Getting to the nail line, not lifting the shingle. That is as far as it will drive. Now I would continue to do this upper level, but I want to prevent adding any excess holes, so we'll finish this repair afterwards. But just to show you the minimum amount that we did lift these shingles upon removal, you can already see that there's granule loss and creasing at the top of all these shingles. And it just, you can see it even further. Barely lifted any of these shingles, and there's already this crease line. Didn't go past 45 degrees. So this roof is not repairable.